A fruit seller has 60 apples. Okay, let's write this down. So 60 apples and oranges is equal to 40. He wants to make fruit baskets with equal number of apples and oranges. So he wants a fruit basket, an example of a fruit basket with an equal number of apples and oranges. So you can have like one apple and one orange. That's equal. Or you can have another one like 10 apples and 10 oranges. That's also equal. What is the maximum number of fruit baskets he can make? Well, if he puts 2 fruit in each basket, that would be the best. The worst would be, for example, if he makes a basket and he puts 40 oranges and he puts 40 apples. In other words, if you minus 40, there'll be 20 left. And if you minus 40, there'll be 0 left. But then we've only got one basket. And that would be the minimum. The minimum is he's got one big basket with 40 oranges and 40 apples. They don't want the minimum, they want the maximum. Let's have a look at it and say, okay, well, if we have to have a maximum, then we have to put the least amount of apples or oranges inside that basket. By putting the least amount of apples and oranges means that I can have more baskets. Alright, that's what it means. So if I put 2, that means, for example, if I minus 1 and I minus 1, then I will end up with how many baskets? 1 basket. If I minus 10 and if I minus 10, I'll end up with 10 baskets. So if I put 1 fruit in each basket, so I'm going to go apple, orange, because it's got to be an equal amount. It says he wants to make fruit with an equal number of apples and oranges in each basket. So this looks equal, and it's very little, so it makes more baskets, right? So this would be definitely, I would like to rather have, instead of 2 apples, if I put 2 apples and I put 2 oranges, then the apples will get used up quickly, and the oranges will get used up quickly, and so I'll have less baskets. But to maximize the number of baskets, I need to minimize the number of equal amount of apples and oranges, which is 1 apple and 1 orange. So what is the maximum number of fruit baskets you can make? So here we go. 1, 2, 3 fruit baskets. If I put another one, it's 4. And this is 4 apples gone, 4 oranges gone. Now, let's look at this carefully. If I have 40 of these and 40 of these, that means I can have a maximum of 40 baskets. So the answer should be 40 baskets. Why? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, all the way until 40. Then, basically, for 40 baskets, in each one I will have an apple and an orange. Which means I will have from all of these 40 apples and 40 oranges. And then the oranges will be finished. But I'll still have 20 apples remaining. So the maximum number of baskets would be 40 baskets. So the answer would be 40. So I have 40 of these, basically. Okay.